Bring it back.
All the way across the floor.
Why is our living room so dirty, Lincoln? Let's see it, buddy. No, stop. You're worse than me. See it.
That one was a foul because my other foot touched the ground.
Come on, buddy. At the barn. Starting to clear out the parking lot. Holy shit, is this shit heavy. Did the parking lot. Looks like shit, but this is gonna be hell. The sectors are gonna be hell. I cleared all this with a snow blower. Now I'm going to clear it with a four-wheeler. My back's killing me from the blower, from blowing. Caitlin just messaged me. She had finished shoveling up the driveway. Oh, there's Dean. Dean's shoveling out as well. Where's the igloo?
Go show him.
Oh, that's cool. Can you lay in there like you're sleeping? Oh, that's neat, bud. Lay down, let me see. Should I come in and snuggle with you?
Mommy.
Hey, buddy. Where's Lincoln?
Yeah.
Sit down, lay down. You can't stand up, bud.
He was lying down before. Once he realized he could go in, he knew I could.
Back at the barn, round 4, I believe, for cleanup. All right, let's go. Got done snow blowing. I'm cold. My face is cold. So we're about maybe a third of the way done clearing out the discus sector. That's gonna be a pain in the balls. It's supposed to snow again tomorrow, but hopefully it doesn't snow too much. Let's see the left. Day 2 of this blizzard. We got our equipment out there getting snowed on because we were just working. Oh, there's DK Bull Elk. Clearing off the shot circles a bit. He's gonna try and clear out the rest of the discus sector. This shit pisses me off. Time to eat, Lukey.
Time to eat, Dave. Time to eat.
What'd you just back squat?
470. Failed 2. Got that 1 though. Yo, but seriously, where's the baby front going?
Sam's 3rd ever rep of close grip snatch. Who's hitting it harder?
Well, Princeton can catch us.
Sam's claiming this is a close grip. Maybe it's closer, but it's not close.
Damn, Sam, you shit with that ass?
Kylie's pissed.
Isn't there?
Huh?
They got your wife, make it bare in the sub, right? Put some fun play, neo punks, with some real punks for enhanced recognition of.
Haley's supposed to be doing glute ham, bar on back. So she's using a, wait, that's a 5 kilo bar. 5 kilos. Closing out the second day of the blizzard. Winds are howling up over there. Winds are howling up over the west. Look at these piles of snow, man. There's a circle, hasn't been uncovered yet. If it's sunny tomorrow, we're gonna uncover it, so we'll see. We'll see. Power Ram, 4-wheel drive. This is all ice. Fucking shit's pissing me off, man. Come on now.
Let's go, DJ.
Ooh, that looked pretty good.
Big right side finish.
See that bald eagle? Right here.
Oh shit.
Fucking goddamn ball. You saw this here. Back on the vlog. He's on the vlog. He just made it.
Bye, Dane. Bye.
Fuck out of here.
Have a good night.
We're done clearing the snow. Now we're just waiting for it to melt. Tim's been throwing pretty well. Tom, his brother's been training pretty well. Rachel actually started to look better today with her 12-pounder. Sam looked really good today. So now I'm just hoping that the snow melts pretty quickly. We got a meet in 2 weeks. So, dude, it's almost embarrassing for me now because we're starting to get such high-level guys coming in and women coming in to train that sort of sucks that we don't have an indoor place, but that's why I'm super excited to move to the new building here in early April, because if this stuff happens next year, we will be able to throw indoors and do a tarp and stuff, so at least we could get some reps in. It's just frustrating for the time being because we're sort of just stuck, you know, between a rock and a hard place. So I don't know, it's been a good camp so far for Tim. It was a lot of work clearing all that snow though, dude. Holy crap, was that a ton of work. So anyway, follow me on Instagram at Garage Strength. Go on my YouTube channel that you're on right now to watch this and click like, subscribe, go to my website, garagestrength.com, and buy some online training programs, some lifting, throwing, whatever you want to get good at.